Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Remington here, little portable Remington, and some of these have little tricks to them. This one is one of them. So if you were to try to type on this machine, and it does this, and it won't type, you can't figure out why, because the basket needs to be raised. So this will raise up with this lever right here. Crank those keys up, and then it's going to type. But now it's not moving. What's happening now? The carriage is stuck. Press these levers and nothing happening. I don't know what's happening. Let's lower this down so we can see in here. And nothing. Can't get it to work. This lever's jammed. Well, this has got a carriage lock feature that's pretty unique, and all I got to do to release this carriage on this model is pull this knob out right here. Pull it out, and there it goes. It's ready to go. We'll move again, side to side. Everything is good. Now the way to get it back so it fits back in the case, which is why it's made this way, is you need to manipulate these levers right over here. They're a little tricky to see, but this lever right here, nope, I got it wrong. It's right here behind this lever right there. Right there. You pull that forward, and then while you're holding that forward, you push that knob in over there. Pull that forward, push that knob in. And that runs this shaft right through here. Then you can let go of that. And then the carriage moves freely. But all you got to do is move it to the center, latch it in there. And now it's ready to go back in the carrying case. So when the knob is in, the carriage is locked. Just pull the knob out, move the carriage. You're free. Move the basket up, and you're ready to go. Little tricks of the Remington. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.